Hi, my name is Carmen and I am an artist in residence for the Creative Center, and today I'm going to show you how to finger crochet. All you would need is scissors, a ball of yarn, and your fingers. I, just in case, like to use these little clips that it's like it helps you count the stitches where you're at if you're going to make a design, but we're going to make just a simple stitch. So I like to use a bulky, chunky yarn. This is a wool. You can use any type of yarn. It's very easy. So I'm doing the flat surface slip knot cast on. So again, I've shown this in other videos that you just cross over the short end of the string over the long one, flip it over, and in that hole you'll see a middle string and you pull it up, and that's how you can begin your cast. Feel free to rewind the recording so that way you can get it. But then you put your pointer and your thumb inside the loop and you grab some string and you pull it through. Now the tension should be loose, not so tight, because you want to get your fingers through it. It would be easy once you move on to the next row. And during the process of making the chains, I mean, don't feel that, it has to be perfect. Nothing is perfect in crochet, unless you're a perfectionist, but feel free, play with it a little bit. As you see here, I'm still adjusting to the first chain, but I'm making about a chain of 30. And I make an additional 2 at the end because I would like to make like a short scarf. So here we go. Now we're going on to the next row. So I am yarning over, slipping my finger into the first chain, pulling some out, yarning over again, right on my pointer finger. Now this is called a full double crochet. You go through 2, yarn over, and go through 2. And now I'm using my thumb and my other hand for a little bit of help, but it's a lot of fun, very relaxing. So once we're done with the stitch, we'll reach at the end. So we do a chain of 2 in each corner. When we're moving up to the next row, we always do a chain 2 at the end. So here you do chain 1, and then a chain 2. So now again, you yarn over once, go in through the next chain, yarn over again, go through 2. With that last yarn over again, go through 2. And so you continue that process all the way until you get to the end of the row. So we're at the end of the row. And so again, yarn over, go through the hole, pull out, yarn over again, use your thumb, yarn over and pull through. That would be the last one for this row. Now here, I'm using the left hand, and it's the same process what you would do on the right hand, you could do on the left also. So the left hand would be, you put your pointer finger in, and you yarn over. Some people can use their left, some people can use their right. I use both just to make myself, just challenging myself. I just enjoy that. So you can just yarn over, and it's just the same process. Always, help the other hand. And then I have a little bit of paint that I was working with watercolor, so you see a little orange on my finger. Sorry about that. But yeah, and the process keep on going. And the end result is always beautiful. So we're reaching the end here, and I like to fold it in half because we're doing like a short scarf, and I sew in with my fingers the two ends. So again, here I do a yarn over, going through the slip, to the chain, pull out. Here we go, and we start connecting it all the way down. Yarn, well, I'm sorry, no, yarn, you go in, pull out, yarn over. And that's it, that's everything. I hope you enjoyed this video.